Hey guys, what's going on? I'm retired Navy SEAL sniper instructor Chris Sajnog and founder of the New Rules of Marksmanship training system. And in this video, I want to teach you a sniper trick that's going to help you hit your target every single time. Now let's go ahead and get started.
Joining me now is retired Navy SEAL sniper Chris Sajnog.
I just wanted to share a super easy trick that is going to blow your mind away on how easy it is and how helpful it is in you being able to hit your target. And that is simply this. I want you to keep this second knuckle right here of your trigger finger pointed directly at the target when you shoot. And I'll show you how that's gonna work with your pistol, and it also works with a rifle, with a carbine, and then I'm gonna show you another example of me using a pencil. Now, first off, let me show you what I mean by keeping this second knuckle straight when you are pulling the trigger. So if you look right here, my knuckle is straight, and if I press straight back and keep this knuckle straight, you can see the gun is not moving. For the gun to move because of my trigger finger, I'm actually going to need to move this knuckle. So if I want the gun to go to the right, that knuckle has to move to the right. If I want to push it to the left, which is a very common shooting error, people shooting low and left like that, that knuckle has to move. The way to keep that straight is to, one, practice it, but also make sure that you have a good grip on the gun, and then let your finger land wherever it fits your hand in that gun. And now I'm just gonna concentrate when I shoot at keeping the tip of that finger pointed straight forward as I press back on the trigger. So here's another example. You can practice this obviously anywhere. You can use a pencil. I've used this paint pen just because it's a little heavier and it's a little easier. If you watch this knuckle and watch the pen, you'll see that as I keep this knuckle pointed straight forward, the pen is going to move straight up and down. If I move this knuckle left or right, it's going to change where this goes. So if I was pressing back on the trigger and moving it, you're going to see that I would be shooting to the left on that. Or if I'm pulling the trigger this way, that knuckle has to move for me to pull the shots to the right. Okay, so this is just pure mechanics, but it's also pure magic. Use this sniper trick every time you shoot, and hopefully it helps make you a better shooter. Now, until next time, keep paving your path to perfection. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed watching that video, and if you did, I put together my top 3 videos for learning to shoot at home, and I want to give those to you absolutely free. Now, all you have to do is click the iCard that just popped up, or you can go to chrissajnog.com/free videos, and I will send you not only those top 3 videos that I have for learning to shoot at home, but I will also send you a free PDF copy of my New Rules of Marksmanship manifesto. Click the card, go to chrissajnog.com/free videos so I can send you those videos. Keep paving your path to perfection, guys.